Welcome back to my home, my heart, my diary. I'm Dory, and thank you so much for being here. Come with me to my village and let's see how an African village farm looks like. Karibuni. Let's bring in some fun. I would like to know which type of crop or vegetation you guessed correct. Write it down below on the comment section and I'll let you know if you're correct or not. How many are you able to name so far? Keep them coming on the comment section. This is becoming interesting and I'm really loving it. Let's keep it going. Thank you so much for engaging in this fun activity. Let me know if you'd like to see more of this African village farm life and the African setting. Thank you so much and bye.